Hello people again with one more video about those trend lines. So I made a promise to show you how to add or remove tools from your toolbox in 84, and then we will continue with how to find a good entry with these trend lines and how to find your targets also. With an example on Euro USD here, you click on your toolbox with your right button on the mouse, and then you will choose customize. Then you will find your tool you want to be visible for you up there. For example, let's say this triangle, insert it, and it will be visible there. If you don't want it, remove it, and that's it. So now you already know how we draw these trend lines. Let's see here. We have one from the bottom, and this is our first trend line, but then we have one more, and I made it because I multiplied this ATR value by 3, and that is how I made this second orange box there to draw the second line. First I will use this first trend line. Let's see what the market is doing. Here we have a resistance at first, then we have support, and then we have boom with this big candle, which also breaks our first trend line, which is telling me that the sellers are here for sure. So I will use this structure with the yellow line. This is a structure from the market, and I want to see if there is also some tips. I use the space between 50 and 61.8 from Fibonacci retracement tool to find where I should expect some resistance. I will combine this with the big yellow line, which was for support, then first resistance, then support, and I will find my entry around there. So I have 3 reasons to sell there, to look for scalp, and my stop was and will be in above this 61.8, and my target will be again to test this low there from the big candle. Then I see that the second line is broken, so let's see what. Also, you see how we have one more line from the double top there, and how they are crossing each other. The second line from the bottom and this line from the top, from the double top. Also, the Fibonacci retracement, there is a 61.8 retracement, and with all these lines and these fibs, and also the big yellow line where was the structure, I will find my entry there. Then why I multiplied this by 3? Because the ATR was too low, and you can say it is low because the market is going nowhere here, and it's below 0.06 on Euro USD on 15-minute chart. So that means if it's below this number, that means for me that the market is in consolidation, and if I want to use this for real, I need to multiply it by 3. there. So okay, now I will find my entry there, where the cross is, and also how the price is touching the trend line from below, and this from the double top, and also I have 61.8 pip there. Also it matches with the structure of the market, so I expect good resistance there, but I will enter there, and then I want my stop loss to be small, so I will use the value from the double top there. Let me delete that. Okay, I will use that to find my stop loss. Why I can't move this one from, please? Yeah, that's it. So there I will put my stop loss, and my target, let me mark that. Okay, and my target will be this multiplied value from below, from the second point of the second target trend line. But my first target will be twice. Yep, because I'm below, and I can below the trend line, and I can expect that the buyers, the sellers have this strength. And my third target will be this value by 4, so somewhere around here. That's why I have this alert there. So that's that. Let me delete this, all these things. Okay, so how I would continue from here. So let's grab those fips again, mark the space between 50 and 61.8, like that. Okay, whoops. So there I have one more. So about the fips, I'm not talking about this because there is so much information on the web, so you can make your own research. And for the targets, I will find my first target again on the low at the 100%, and then at the 1.618, there will be my second target. So well, that's it for this FIP. If you want to use FIP to find targets and stops, you can use it. You can do that. Some of you may. Okay, here's our euro signal. Right, so that was my example for now. See you later, guys.